Got a great project here tonight. One of our neighbors reached out to us and said that they wanted to double the size of their garden, but that they didn't have the ability or the means to till it up. And when we got here and did a site inspection, we found out there's a lot of brush and weeds and just some crud that needs to be torn out of here before we can even till the ground. So I brought out the 825 TKL. That's a mini skid steer from Barretto, along with 2 attachments. I brought the brush hog that I'm gonna use to mow all of this down and get it knocked down flat to the ground. And then once that's done, I'm gonna put the tiller attachment on it, and I'm gonna come through here and I'm gonna till all that green up, all this weeds, all the brush, everything is gonna get tilled right into the ground, and that'll help with the mulch and whatnot. It's gonna make it good soil for next year. You know, it's mid to late summer right now. It's not a good time to plant anything, but it's a great time to prep the soil and beat it up for the first time. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the machine, walk it up here, mow all of this down first. Once I've got it all mowed down, then I can start thinking about tilling. But clock's ticking, sun's setting. If I want to get this done today, I better get the machine fired up. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY. All right, that was awesome. This is a heck of a tool, and it took all that brush and grass and weeds, chopped it all down. It's the first time I've used this combination of attachments with the mini skid, so I'm really eager to see how it tills up, but I got a feeling it's gonna make short work out of this patch. Gotta go over here, unattach, reattach, go back out, start tilling. All right, we got the tiller attachment put on, got it ready to go, and realized it's starting to get late. The sun's dipping down behind the hill up there. It's gonna be dark pretty soon. We just don't have enough time to finish tonight. So we're gonna leave it right here, ready to roll, and come back tomorrow night to finish this project up. Last night when I was on my way home, I kind of had an epiphany that I needed another attachment. The tiller was winding up some of the longer cut grass. It was binding up the tiller. We went ahead and pulled it all out, and I started thinking about ways I could get rid of that grass. And the first thing I thought about was this attachment right here. What we've used it for in the past is to go through soil and pick out rocks and boulders, the bigger rocks, maybe if we're doing a rock sort. But this is gonna give me the ability to rake it along the ground, pick up all the grass, even pick up any rocks that might be in there before I go through with the tiller, and prep the site a lot more after cutting that, after I ran the mower. And I think that's gonna allow me to mow my way through there. I've never used this attachment for this before, but I'm eager to see how it turns out. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY. Well, compared to how we found it yesterday and how we're leaving it tonight, I'd say this piece of equipment did a great job out here. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY.